जबकि जो रिच पीपल होते हैं वो अ, अपनी किसी भी प्रॉब्लम का सॉल्यूशन बहुत ही आसानी से निकाल लेते हैं। तो ये टी हार्व इकर की जो बुक है ये बहुत ही मोटिवेशनल बुक है। और जो भी अपनी लाइफ में पैसों के लिए जूझ रहे हैं, वो सोच रहे हैं कि हम बहुत ज़्यादा हार्ड वर्क कर रहे हैं, जॉब भी करते हैं, लेकिन हमारा पैसों का प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व नहीं होता। तो they should read this book, and in the end I would like to conclude and I will like to give the major takeaway from this book. अगर मैं 3 sentences में इस बुक के बारे में बताना चाहूँ तो आई कैन से, इफ़ यू आर नॉट फुली टोटली एंड ट्रूली कमिटेड टू क्रिएटिंग वेल्थ, chances are you won't. If your goal is to be comfortable, chances are you will never get rich. But if your goal is to be rich, chances are you will end up mighty comfortable. The law of income, you will be paid in direct proportion to the value you deliver according to the marketplace. And the 5 big ideas जो मैं लास्ट में आप लोगों को बताना चाहूँगी. If you want to move to a higher level of life, you have to be willing to let go of some of your old ways of thinking and being and adopt new ones. Having top of the line tools is imperative, but being the top notch carpenter who masterfully uses those tools is even more critical. A lack of money is never ever a problem. A lack of money is merely a symptom of what is going on underneath. All the statements you heard about money when you were young remain in the subconscious mind as a part of the blueprint that is running your financial life. Money can't make you something you already are. And in the last, I would like to conclude. Don't just read this book, study it is as if your life is dependent on it. If you are not doing as well as you would like, all that means is there is something you don't know. It is not what we don't know that prevents us from succeeding. It's what we know that is just ain't, so that is our greatest obstacle. If you want to move to a higher level of life, you have to be willing to let go of some of your old ways of thinking and being and adopt new ones. I have a saying, it's not enough to be in the right place at the right time. You have to be the right person in the right place at the right time. The key to success is to raise your own energy. When you do, people will naturally be attracted to you, and when they show up, build them. Your financial blueprint consists primarily of the information or programming you received in the past, and especially as a young child, your programming needs to your thoughts and your leads to your feelings leads to your actions leads to your